Hello guys and welcome to Top Explore. Recently my friends came back from Budapest, Hungary, and brought me beers, which you can see on background. Those two bottles are interesting. I don't know anything about these beers. I didn't do any research. Thank you, Tomer and Lisa. So I will open them and try them on camera in front of you guys, and I hope we all have a good time. So I was challenged to eat something during my tasting session, and this something has to be Hungarian. And I must read Hungarian jokes. And let's see how it works. These are the two beers I got from Hungary. The one is from... Oh, yeah, I actually know this brewery. It's one of the best breweries in Hungary. It's called Mad Scientist. It's called Mango Bay, and this is a mango milkshake pale ale. The second one is sour cherry ale. Okay, yeah, I like sour beers. So, what is more Hungarian than Kürtős? Kürtős is a kind of pastry. It's sweet, it smells so delicious. I've tasted it before. I actually really like Kürtős, Kürtőskalács as it's called in Hungarian. Fruity. Very bouncy. Okay. So I like the color already. It's that hazy orange, really looking like chocolate juice. I'm not sure I smell mango, but it is really fruity and it smells like pastry. I don't know, maybe I'm just not for the same flavor. It sounds like the same. Okay, so let's just do this. Yeah, let's just. Okay, well, it is fruity and hoppy and a bit sweet. I like it, it's really refreshing. It's very aromatic. I pick up some peaches, apricots, mango, I'm not sure, but well, maybe some artificial mango even there, but well, of course this beer doesn't have any mango added to it. But the hops that are used are really tropical and fruity. Okay, so I will eat it like a barbarian, just with my hands. It's so good. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Guys, if you haven't tried this kind of pastry before, you definitely should. I'm sorry, you'll have to tolerate my chewing and my blubbering. And, well, I was challenged. I hope it's embarrassing enough for you. Here's it. Oh, I'd say it's a really good beer. It's not really complicated. The flavor is simple and straight to the point. It's super refreshing. Yeah, don't forget to chew. The third part of the challenge is to read some Hungarian jokes, and I will try to make you laugh. Yeah. Which country is the worst place for your stomach? Hungary. See like there? Yeah, well, Hungary and Hungary is, well, I think it's easy. Okay, let's get another one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do something. One. Okay, one, three. When a foreigner tells you, yes, I've been to Hungary, Bucharest is really beautiful. Mistaken? Or okay, so we have some Hungarian words here, and this is really hard to pronounce, but well, I hope it will be even funnier when I'm trying to read it while eating the Kürtős. So it says here, Ha mokusnak olyan fej lenne, mint neked már régen magára gújtotta, I don't know, volna ez erdot. I have no idea how to read in Hungarian, but of course it sounds awful and you will forgive me. And yeah, the translation here actually is really funny. If the squirrel had a head face like yours, not yours, well, never mind, he would have a long ago set the forest on fire with him inside the forest. Which basically means you are ugly. I like it. This one is sour cherry ale. It's made by Beer Corner. This one looks like what's it called? Well, this one is red. Even the foam is pink. Looks a little bit syrupy, but okay. Well, it smells a little bit as well. Oh, actually, it tastes not so bad. I don't know what to say about this beer. The color is, well, looks actually a little bit artificial, and to be honest, it's not really tasty. It's a little bit sourish, a little bit sticky, a little bit syrupy. Everything is better with Kürtős. Sweet. But yeah, a lot of cherry. There are some really interesting tongue twisters in Hungarian. Here is something that really twisted my tongue. Icike picike pocok. Pocakon pöckölt. Ege masik icike picike pockot. Mire a pocakon pockölt. Icike picike pockot. Is jol pocakon pockölte. Az öt pocakon pockola icike picike pockot. A lot of icike picike. So what I just read to you apparently has something to do with tummy poking. Okay, so it translates to a tiny little wall poked the tummy of another tiny little wall. What is a wall? I don't know what wall is. So the story goes and develops this way. So then the tiny little wall who got this tummy poked also poked the tummy of the tiny little wall who had poked his tummy. That's right. This wall, this bastard wall, gets his tummy poked. Right back at you, you vile wall. We have another one. It has a lot of umlauts. I like umlauts. Especially like the word umlaut. So it says here, Ut Turk Urduk, Ut Guruk Urdugut, Dugunius Urkus, Urmuk Kust. And it translates to, this is about 5 Turkish devils punching 5 Greek devils. Okay, so this one actually is way too funny. It says here, this is about the breast of a donkey. This. Ne minden частичи чёстце чёстце, чак а чёстце чёсту цасце, чёстце чёстце. Мерк ha minden части чёстце чёстце вольна, akor minden части чёстце чёстцу, части вольна. I'm very curious about this one, so I just googled this. And the translation I got is hilarious. So it translates to English this way. Not all the boobs always chastity bitch. Chastity is a donkey, I guess. So not all the boobs of the donkey bitch. Just the trick of the booby duck. Because all the boobs in the ass were to be tricked. Then all the asshole boys would have a fucking ass. So that's about it. I think we had enough fun. And let's save some fun for the next time. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And press this bell button to get notified the next time I will upload a new video. So this was fun. I really enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this as well. And cheers! See you next time. Bye bye. It's a kip.